definitely you're always running as a woman. I think your whole life uyagijima uzama ukuthi ujabulise wonke umuntu. I think examples of that are obviously getting married, having children.
Yeah.
Ukwakha umuzi womunye umuntu nkosi yami.
Yeah, ubusumuzi.
Basically uyasuka kini uhambe uyokwakha umuzi. Angifuni ukuthi wenye indoda but it's the truth. Uyasuka kini la khona unesibongo sakho nomndeni wakho okuthandayo, and then you go to another family and you have to basically build that family and help lowo muntu to build legacy yakhe. So I think definitely marriage, having children, and also nowadays having a job, having a career, and also contributing financially to your household. Because I think, okay, it's still normal to be a housewife, but it's also normal to contribute. A lot of people expect you to contribute as a woman financially as well.
Sure, but you ngiyakuzwa lokho kushoyo ukuthi uhambe yokwakha omunye umuzi yabo.
Yeah.
You're giving me a thought ukuthi there are women who take pride in that. Yeah. Are they faking that? What are you saying?
No, definitely not. I think now what I believe in the most is ukuthi wonke umuntu kumele enze lokhu akufisa empilweni yakhe.
Sure.
So there are women who want to get married. There are women who want to have children. There are women who don't want to get married. There are women who just want ukuthi bakhe their careers, climb the corporate ladder or become successful in whatever they want to be successful in. There are women who want to amass wealth. Yabo. And so I think it's important ukuthi mawufuna konke then kuthole konke. Mawufuna ukugoda kuthole ukugoda. Mawufuna ukuthi uthole ukuthi. I think that's the beauty of feminism, which I believe in. Ukuthi every woman should have a choice. Ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani and not be judged about leyo choice yakhe.